welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how the way you can get free picture online and use without copyright. And don't forget to grab this app on Google Play. Do not think more about the feature it brings here. Okay, so without too much of a talking, let's begin. Go to your Google Chrome or just type live picture. Just click. Let me make my screen very wide. So you go to tools, you go usage, copy, usage right, you come down here, label it for reuse, so you click there. When you see like this blue, from here you can download any image for free for commercial use. So you can use any image of face. So that is how you download image from internet and then you use for free. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.